Okay, so if latency is high on the network, what are you going to do about it, or what are the first few action steps you are going to take a look into? Number one, you can take a look at the number of users. How many users are there into the network at that moment when you are experiencing high latency? How much is the load on the cell? So there are counters in your network. You can take a look how much is the actual load on the cell. If high load is there, that can be a cause of latency. Another thing, how many number of handovers are happening? If high number of handovers are happening, that can be another cause of latency. And again, once and for all, end-to-end network performance, when I say this, meaning it does involve your transport network issues as well. The transport network, if there is congestion on the transport network, that can be a cause of latency overall, as well as it can be a cause of latency on your eNodeB side as well, where you are monitoring counters. So these are some things you can always take a look into in order to find out what is causing latency KPIs to turn out to be bad.